So spinal cord injuries are unfortunately rather common and often devastating in people and in dogs. So as a veterinarian, I'm really interested in improving the outcome of dogs with spinal cord injuries. And of course there's an opportunity for our findings to translate to help human medicine as well. We're currently running a clinical trial where we're evaluating the effectiveness of cellular transplants on improving hind limb and bladder function in dogs that are chronically paralyzed. We know we're not going to rebuild the whole spinal cord. We're not going to restore an animal to totally normal function. Of course, that's an endpoint we would all like, but that's a very complex problem that many people have been working on for a long time. So right now, we're just focusing on trying to improve function in any little way that we can. Fortunately, restoring function to just a few axons can make quite a big difference, a surprisingly big difference to the patient. We do an MRI of the dog's spine so that we can see the site of the injury. We want to identify where we're going to transplant the cells. We harvest a bit of fat from under the skin on the back of the dog's neck and a little bit of a sensory nerve that goes to the skin in order to culture 2 different cell types. And then we use fluoroscopy, which is like real-time X-ray, to assist us in placing a fine needle through the skin down actually into the site of the spinal cord injury. We then inject the cells slowly into that site through the needle and take the needle out, and there's the transplantation procedure done. Toby was the first dog that we recruited to this trial. The trial is ongoing. It's going to run for 3 years. We're hoping to recruit a total of 30 dogs. We have 25 more to recruit at this time. So far, progress has been good, and we are hopeful that we are going to see some improvements in function that will be relevant not only for our patients as veterinarians, but also in human medicine.
His legs are starting to move more. They're getting a little stronger. I'm very glad I took part in this trial. Even if he doesn't walk again, at least maybe somewhere down the road it'll help either another dog or another human be able to walk again.